In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the signing order in DocuSign the easiest way possible. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable when you need to set up your own signing orders. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to DocuSign's website. DocuSign is a leading electronic signature provider, and it's the perfect tool for managing agreements intelligently. Once there, look for the login option. You'll see it prominently displayed on their homepage. Click on login to access your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage. This is your hub for all things related to managing your electronic documents. Here, you'll want to locate and select a template. Templates are a great way to streamline your document processes, offering a preset structure for agreements that you frequently use. Choosing a template can save you time, especially if you regularly deal with similar types of documents. After selecting your template, the next step is to set the signing order. This is a critical part of the process because it dictates the sequence in which your documents will be signed. Look for the option labeled Set Signing Order. When you click on it, you'll be able to arrange the individuals involved in the signing process in the order you prefer. Setting the signing order is straightforward with DocuSign. You can drag and drop the signers to reorder them to fit your preferred sequence. It's important to think about who needs to sign first and who can wait until later. Ensure that you've accurately placed each individual according to the needs of your agreement. Once you're satisfied with the order, you can finalize it. By following these steps, you've now successfully set the signing order for your document. This ensures that your signing process is smooth and efficient, with no unnecessary delays or confusion over who needs to sign when. Always double check the order before sending the document out, as this can prevent potential hiccups down the line. DocuSign makes it easy to manage documents with precision and ease. Remember that you can always go back and adjust if necessary. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you now feel ready to tackle your DocuSign signing orders with confidence. Thank you for watching and happy signing.